Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my best friend's makeup. Now I don't know much about makeup, but I'm just gonna do what I know. So yeah, if you want to see the video of her doing my makeup, it turned out really good. I will list it below. So I'm just gonna talk y'all through this. So first thing I'm gonna do is do her eyebrows. I'm just going to line them with the concealer just to clean them up a little bit. And like I said before, I am not a makeup artist. This is just what I do to get the job done. We were just playing around in a little bit of makeup, but girl, it turned out really cute or whatever. But anyways, I'm just going to blend the bottom going down and the top going up once I'm done lining her eyebrows. Now, I know you see that little hue, that little concealer hue. I'm not going to leave that there. I'm going to show you guys how to blend that out so you won't see it, girl, because some people will just leave it like this, but that's not what you do. So now I'm just applying her foundation. With her foundation, what we do is we mix two different foundations to get the correct color. And y'all, it was just so funny doing this because like I didn't mix it correctly or none of that, but it worked somehow, some way it worked. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that foundation all over her face. And I'm going to put it on her eyelids a little bit just to, make her eyeshadow pop when I do add her eyeshadow. So, yeah, she doesn't use a beauty blender. She uses a brush. So that's what I'm applying. And as you can see with her eyebrows, I just added the foundation over the hue, the concealer hue, just to blend it all together. Now it's time for her eyeshadow. What I'm going to do is I'm going to build the, what is this called? I'll think of the name of it in a minute, but I'm going to build her eyeshadow. I didn't know nothing about building eyeshadow until she told me. So I'm going to start off with a lighter brown. I'm going to go to a darker brown, and then I'm going to add some black, smoky eye. That's what it's called, like a little smoky eye look. So I'm just going to build it up. So that's what I'm doing. Started with a lighter brown, go to a dark brown, and then transition to a black, just to get the look. Alright, so once I'm done with her eyeshadow, I'm just going to add this concealer as like a little highlight. This is just the way I highlight. But and it also helps you clean up the eyeshadow that kind of got like to the side of her eye. It helps you do that. And once I add my concealer, I'm just going ahead and finish the eyeshadow and just add a little color to the lid. I just did like a little nudish white color, just something simple and cute. Nothing too hard, girl. So this is how it's looking. And I'm going to add a little bit more foundation just to clean up. You can always clean up with foundation, so that's what I'm doing. Just kind of cleaning up just a little bit. But anywho, in a minute, I'm just going to go get the beauty blender and then start to blend it under her eye just to clean everything up and gives like a little highlighted effect. Now, I normally just highlight. I don't really do the contour because I don't know nothing about it. But I tried to contour, the little dark line just to give it a little pop. But girl, it's just a little bit too bold for me. So once again, I'm going back in with her foundation just to try to clear, fix it up just a little bit because you don't want it too dark, but you want it cute. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just fixing that, and then I'm gonna add her mascara, which is really good. Like the mascara she used was really great, and I liked it. She also taught me a trick with upper eyeliner. Instead of like using the eyeliner pencil, you could just use like black eyeshadow to line the top of it. And I did that and it worked good, girl. I was shocked. I didn't know nothing about that. But honey, it came out looking cute, real cute. So after that, what we're going to do is pick out a lipstick color. Now the lipstick color we're doing is red. It's a matte lipstick. I'm going to do like an ombre effect. What I'm going to do first is actually apply the lipstick to her lips, and then I'm going to go in with a brown pencil and I'm going to line her lips up with that brown pencil and then have her smack it like that right there, just so it'll go ahead and give the ombre effect. And so once we get done, she gonna take out her hair. Look at her hair, y'all. This is all of her real hair. Tell me them curls ain't life. Tell me them curls ain't life. But anyways, this is the final look. And I love it. It turned out really cute for us just to be playing in makeup and for me not to know nothing about makeup at all. But like I said, it's really cute. I love how the lip transition was, and I love the eyeshadow transition. This was like a great learning experience. So this is another picture of how it looks, and this is a picture of us together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll leave the link to my video below. Bye.